Hello, everyone. This is your side hustle private investigator coming back at you. I feel the need to redo a ClickASnap review. So many people have been commenting on the other one that I feel like I need to do a review for this one again. There's a lot of things that I've learned since the first review, so here I am. So first of all, I just want to let you know this is my page here. As you can see, I have about 16 subscribers, 9 photos total, 15 views, and I'll show you how much money I'm making there. But this is some of the pictures that I've taken. Again, if you're good at photography, this might be a good place for you. If you're not good at photography, probably not good for making money. So I'll just show you the uploads that I've done and how much money I've made. As you can see, Golf Anyone is one of the shots that I did. That actually got me a penny, and the road test one also got me a penny. So did the Soccer Dad Adventure, and that's about it. Now these pictures have been on here for about 4 months or so, some 5 months, and I've been able to make a penny out of all those. Now, just keep in mind that in order for you to make money, you have to pay them a subscription every month. The subscription is actually £2, which comes out to be $2.79 in America. So I would have paid $2.79 per month for the last 4 months in order to make a penny, 3 pennies. So as you can see, I'm not an expert in math. I was pretty good in math in school, but this is actually not good if this is all I'm making, right? I'll be giving them a lot of money and making very little money. So ClickASnap, not the best side hustle in my personal opinion for folks who are just taking pictures. Now, if you're a professional photographer and you're going to exploit this thing, you're going to take it to the fullest, take some great pictures, maybe even have the ability to promote it some way, then that might be a way to do it. But for your average person, I certainly wouldn't recommend doing ClickASnap for a side hustle to make money online by uploading pictures. So that is my take on it. Again, it is actually for 25% of a penny for every view that you get. So not a lot of money if you're looking to get views. And again, I've gotten a bunch of views, I should say a bunch, but a few views, and not quite that many, that much money at all to make it worth it. So ClickASnap for me is a thumbs down. Doesn't necessarily mean that it might not be for you, but it doesn't look like you're going to be able to make a lot of money from this. Like some of those gurus say on the social media space, oh, go to ClickASnap and make $4,000 a month by uploading pictures. That's not looking very good, at least not for me, and most of the people that have also commented on the previous ClickASnap video review that I did on YouTube. So this was definitely one that I would not recommend, but again, it's up to you. That's all I'm going to say about this one. Again, I just wanted to update it. It made some incorrect, spoke incorrectly on the previous one, so I want to correct myself, and also want to make sure that I let everyone know the follow-up for this one. Still not looking very good. So if you're not following me, again, go ahead and follow me, subscribe to this channel, and also smash that like button. Maybe share it with others who might be interested. And this is it for now. This is your side hustle private investigator signing off. Until next time, we'll see you around.